What's going on, guys? Red Dawn Pepper here. I got myself a flat tire. So, took the tire off using the appropriate tools. Again, typically your lug nut sizes are going to be 3/4 or 13/16 or 19 and a 21. And in trucks, going to be a 22. I got my safety jack under there. Always be safe. You can do it with a 1/2-inch pry bar if you want. Anyway, so I got my tire off. Here's the culprit. I know that for two reasons. One, it's pretty freaking obvious, and two, I get me some soapy water and you can see her bubbling. It's way out of focus, but she's bubbling up, which means air is escaping from that screw. So, if you want, you can have a little piece of chalk, mark it so you don't lose it once you take the screw out and what have you. Otherwise, leave it be. So, wipe it dry. Then you can get it out. It's either a pair of wire cutters or small needle nose. You can hear it too. Not to whack the camera with that mug. Alright, about this time I'm going to take my wire cutter since I got her a little bit out. Clamp it, pry it out. Oh yeah, listen to that. Oh, by the way, first thing you want to do is fill it all the way with air. Typically 40 psi to make it over full with air. This way you get a real good reading on where the leak is. Because if you just take the tire off and she's at 15-20 psi, it's not going to work. Yeah, I'd say that's the culprit. Alright. So I'm going to let her pump down a bit. Like I said, I got my kit right here. Typically $10, Walmart, AutoZone. If you have a drill with a small enough drill bit, that makes it a lot easier. But if you're on the side of the road or what have you, that's why they give you this tool. So chip away at all the good stuff, all the excess loose rubber. Trying to think of the word, but the metal that's around it. Because there's steel in tires, so it's a wrap, and I can't think of the name. But anyway, so that's just to clean it out, as I'm about to show you. Rubber cement. Follow the instructions in the back if you don't know. But since I'm about to show you, you should know. Rubber cement, tire patches, and your needle threader jigger. It's a real simple process, as I'm about to show you. Something wicked. Alright, so it's got a lot of air loss, and now we're taking our cleaner and digging it in. So it's a nice even hole. Yeah! A couple times to do it. And let her fucking deflate fully. Alright, next step. Put one of the threads through our needle here. Pretty much center it so you got equal length of and don't touch them together. You got equal length of you know what I mean. So you equal length. Keep in mind, store these in a cool place or else they will melt on their own. And that's not cool. So anyway, I'm going to coat it with a rubber cement. Basically, at the center. Because that's what's going to get in the tire. You don't have to worry about the ends too much. because that's what's going to be stuck out, and you're going to be yeah, you're going to be cutting that off. There you go. Alright, as you can see, marked my spot so I wouldn't lose it. Whew. Driver in there. Get some. Okay, you're gonna get the idea because I gotta use two hands. Alright, now we're about 2/4 of the way down in there. Just a little bit sticking out. As you can see, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna yank it up. And that's it. No twisting, no pulling, nothing like that. Looks like we might have a good seal. We're gonna let it dry. Once we do, cut off the excess and recheck with the soap bottle. And if that doesn't work, try it again. Alright guys, right on prepper, take it easy.